Hello YouTube. This is Donovan's cousin right now. Uh, Swarley. Okay, you can call me Swarley. That's my nickname I use at school, anyways. Okay, so me and my cousin are into modifying our Xbox materials, and we had questions about how to open the Xbox 360 controller, and we looked it up and we found out how, and it was pretty complicated at first. We also took apart his Xbox and put it back together, which was really awesome and hard, really frustrating. We kind of broke a little bit of the tabs, but it still works. Anyway, I'm going to show you guys how to open the Xbox 360 controller. You're going to need a really small flathead, like really small, and you're also going to need a T8 drill bit. If you want, you can get like a thinner one, and then you don't need this, like if you get a thinner T8, but we had to use these, and I think I'll be using these sometime, probably not. And here's all the drill bits, so we had a lot to choose from. Anyway, so they are 7 screws total. One here, one here, one here, one here, one here, and one here, and one right there, which underneath a barcode. If you guys can see that, it's right under here, and the barcode. The barcode is right over here. I already took it off, so you know. Anyway, so you need to unscrew them all, and make sure you have a clean space for this. Otherwise, it gets really frustrating because you'll lose all of the stuff. Usually, like when we were first doing this, we dropped so many of them, and if, the right here, the screw that's supposed to go in there, like the, I don't know what it's called, but you know how it spirals like this, like how it spirals on there, like it's broken on the inside, so I don't get that part, so I can't go in there, like it goes all the way in. And so that's kind of stupid. I just leave that one out. Ugh. Anyway. Yeah. Okay. So, since this drill bit is so fat at the end, and it's not really long and thin, we kind of had to cheat death a little bit, and we had to use this flathead to get inside this, because they go so far in, and I'll show you guys that in a minute. But these and this are okay with this, just not the ends. Yep, I just jinxed myself. Damn it. Oof, this might take a while. Okay. Oof. This took me and my cousin a little while to figure it out. But we got it done, and we opened it, we took it all apart. It was pretty cool. And we basically know how to do it from now on. Even taking apart our Xbox. We might look up more videos on how to do it after, just so we're for sure. And the main reason why we just started doing this is because my cousin looked up videos about the Xbox, since I'm gonna get the Xbox E for Christmas, and a list of other items. I looked up how to keep your controller organized, and it said you need to clean it regularly, so yeah, he needed to clean the Xbox regularly. So he took apart his Slim, which is over there, if you can see that, it's right there, and then there's also a lever next to that, so it's not that bad. So we took that apart and we put it back together. It was pretty tough. We thought we broke it for like a lot of the times, and a lot of times we wanted to rage quit. So it was pretty frustrating. And now I know and now I know what I don't want to do when I grow up is take apart my own Xbox, because my baby is too important to me. Ugh, this is gonna take a while. Yeah, so awkward. Yeah. If you guys have seen Cat in the Hat, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so now I got all 7 out, and we're going to remove this piece right here. It comes off pretty easily, you know. And you should probably clean this out if you haven't already. Yeah, this one's pretty dusty. This is just like an example controller. And then you have the mother circuit board, and this one's pretty hard to get out. You have to take out this. Like usually you always have to take out these first. Oh, crap, I just dropped it. Thank you. And then here are the rumble packs. Now if you take these out, it will increase the battery life, and it won't be as heavy, so I think that's a really good plus. And if you like, if you don't have a battery pack and you have one of the, or if your like battery pack is really loose and you only have the thing that plugs into the back right here, and the rumble packs, like when they vibrate, you know, it gets out. I like to take these out right now. So like I told you I'd use these, and they're kind of hard to get out, but they'll come out. What was that? What was that?
Holy shit.
I don't know what that was for, but we'll put that aside. This is just an example controller. It's pretty. It's not the best. It's not the sharpest tool in the shed, I'll say. Oy. Anyway, once you take these out, they're really easy to unplug. If you can see that, it's like really easy. It's not that bad. And they plug into this right here. Too close, damn it. Right there. So, put those aside, and then you can remove this motherboard. And it's got the analog sticks and then the RT and LT. Now you can pop these analog sticks out if you want to replace them. And then you just have this, and then you can take these out a certain way, but you have to pop them out, so I don't really want to do that right now. Anyway. Now here is the top of the thing. Oh, B fell out. Okay, so you can take these rubber protectors out, and then you can just take them all out. There's also the start and then the pause button, which didn't come out, but now it did. Okay.
I think this is the one that was sticky.
Okay, so now there's the D-pad. And the D-pad, you have to get a small Phillips right now. We are very unorganized for this. I'm so sorry. The smallest one right there.
Oh, it's right here.
We got it.
Okay.
Anyway.
Let's go to. Oh shit.
Don't know what that was. I was just unscrewing nothing. Nice. Okay, so. Okey-dokey. These are really miniature white ones, and the ones that go in the back are usually black and longer, so it'll be very easy to, you know, tell them apart. Ugh. This takes a little while. Yeah. This is. Unplug now. Out. Okay. So after that, you can get these right here. Get the small flathead. There's these little tabs right here and here on those two sides. Right there and then there. If you just plug one of them, and then the other one should pop out really easy. And then that unplugs that. So that is pretty easy. It's not that hard to do. If you want to like repaint this or something, and then or like if you want to just repaint this like all alone, and then there's this thing that comes out too, RB and LB. So this is just completely the case. And if you guys want to know where the oof. Yeah, that's pretty cool. No insides completely. So, and then here is the LEDs. If you can't see them, right here. There's one right there. One right there, there, and then there. These are what lights up this right here. Like it'd go like kind of like that, and then it'd light it up. Now, if you want, you can remove those and make them to blue or red or whatever color you want. That's pretty much all I gotta say about that. And here is the sync button. Like that small sync button. Here's LB and then RB. And then there's the analog sticks. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys how to put it back together step by step. First off, if you have this and you took out the bumpers, just put that back in right now. Have it the wrong way. It sucks. Have it the wrong way again. Jesus. Right the first time. Okay. Easier said than done. Easier said than done.
You want me to assemble it and do commentary?
I got this. Okay, so once you plug that in, then should probably do this first. Yeah. Okay.
There.
Yep. Me and my cousin got that mixed up last time. Spent like half an hour or like 5 minutes trying to put it on this one. So he's the fool in that. Okay, and then you pop this back in here. It'll stay in pretty easily, but it's just enough to get you the screws back in. Whew. Baby. You got it there. You have received penetration. Got it there. Okay. And right in the hole, right in the hole, right in the hole, right in the hole. Close enough. Anyway, how do you get in there? In. Go in, I tell you. Okay. Now we're rolling. Okay. So after you get that in, which was a pain, you can probably put these analog sticks back on if you want. It doesn't matter which one you put them on, if you want to switch them, for some reason. I don't even know if these are the right ones I started with. Here, you have to put in the buttons now. You have to put in B, there. Y goes on the top, so right there. If you want, you can actually put B or like X where A is, if you wanted to. Like if you know someone who's never ever played Xbox before, you can like totally mess them up by doing that. And then put in this, the home screen logo. Wrong one. Nice. Alright. Okay, so these don't really matter which way you put them in. Like which one you put them in. I don't know if you can see that, but the fat end has to be on the bottom. Otherwise it won't go in. Like, oof. Okay, and then you put this back on this, I'm pretty sure. I'm not sure how you put it on. Pretty sure you just...
This goes right here.
Oh.
Like that.
I told you that. Stupid fool. Ugh. After that, put on this. Shut up. Yeah, it's not that good. It's not that good of a rubber protector, but it'll do, I guess. And then you put on the circuit board.
We put this on first.
Yeah. Actually, yeah. You should probably put this on first, actually. Scratch that. Come on, baby. And then put on this right here. Just insert that. Careful. And then if you don't want to put on rumble packs, it'll make it a lot lighter in the end. So I think that's a plus.
You should put it back on now.
Yeah. I'm gonna put them back on anyway. This one on this one. This one. Jesus.
Oh, damn.
Crikey. Whatever. Ugh. They're pretty easy to get put in. Ugh. My cousin took out his rumble packs. They made his controller a lot like lighter. Really light. Yeah. Now we have to put on these. Which these are. Wow, it just went back inside. Nice.
Just tell them about the circuit board difference.
Some circuit boards have differences, like this won't be here.
Because that's the older version.
Yeah, like this is the older version. Like
That came with the Elite.
yeah, like this came with the Elite. So this, if you have like a Slim or something, this will usually be like right here. Sometimes it won't have this, sometimes it will. It just depends on the controller. Anyway, once that's in, don't lose anything down here, because it'll be a pain to get back. I'm serious. Just look out. Where's the screwdriver? Okay, it's right there. Found it. Ooh, okay, so let's put it on. Ooh, felt that. Yeah. We're golden. We are almost done. Bear with us. 18 minutes. Jesus Christ. Crikey. We're almost done. I didn't clean it at all, so if you want to clean yours, go ahead. It's not really that hard. Just like get like a compressed air in a can. Oh. If you want to get your LEDs changed, definitely get a professional to do it. You should definitely not be tampering with it unless you know exactly what to do. Like if you take shop or like engineering or whatever, you might know what to do. If not, leave it to the pros, because you could end up damaging your controller or Xbox. That was the one. Stupid. What the hell? Something's wrong here. Okay. And there. So as you can see, it's not really that hard to remove and unremove your controller. If this was not a really good review and you couldn't really see it very well, just comment and we'll make a new one, I guess. If you did like it, leave a like, and of course subscribe, because you know I'm awesome. Who wouldn't want to join Swarly and all of his awesomeness? And you're good to go. So definitely awesome. See, it just turned on the Xbox right now. Excellent. Anyway, if you liked this video, leave a like and subscribe. If you didn't, still leave a like and subscribe, and we will definitely make more videos about like Xboxes and controllers and gaming and whatnot. So we will see you later in the next video. See ya.